Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. How are you, my dear friends? Today I bring for you guys special course and very basic thing we learn in our first lesson about Arabic language. So I hope everyone is doing well, and I request to subscribe my channel and also share these effective lessons to your friends. Okay, today is our first lesson, and we should start from first lesson some basic thing in Arabic language. First lesson we have about haza, ad-darsul awwal. What is the meaning of ad-darsul awwal? Ad-darsul awwal, first lesson, mean first lesson. Okay, so this is first lesson. First lesson. Okay, and look, haza. What is the meaning of haza? You know better. Like sometimes we use in English accent this, that, those, its. So also we use for indicate some basic words in Arabic language. So it's also now and also purify something, like this is living thing and this is non-living thing. So look, we have haza. Haza mean this. Haza mean this. Okay. So come, first one we have, look, haza, this. So look, first one we have haza baytun. This is a house. Bayt mean house, and also we can use for home. So look, first one we have haza baytun, or haza baytun, for home and house. For both thing we can use bayt. So this is house and this is home. Next one we have haza masjidun. Haza masjidun. This is masjid. This is masjid. Like this is mosque. Haza babun. Haza babun. Babun mean door. Okay, doors in English. Haza kitabun. This is book. This is book. Haza qalamun. This is pen. Like this is pen or marker. هذا مفتاح. هذا مفتاح. مفتاح mean key. Key. So this is key. هذا مكتب. This is desk. This is desk. هذا سرير. This is double bed or single bed. Like for both you can use which we use for our sleep. So it is called in Arabic accent sarirun. Okay. Next one we have haza kursiyun. This is chair. This is chair. In short, like haza, just we use for indicates to something. Like look, haza baytun. This is house. Haza masjidun. This is masjid. This is house, and this is door, and this is book, and this is marker, and this is pen, this is key. Okay. um Also we use haza sometime with ma, like you know better. um in English sometime we use what. Okay, so what for what position and for what thing we use. Like sometime, like when we ask about something, So at the start of this sentence, like questionnaire sentence, we add what. So also ma use for what? Okay, for question. So look, ma haza. Ma haza, ma mean what? Haza this. Like ma haza, what is this? What is this? So look, ma haza, what is this? Haza baytun. This is this is house. Ahaza baytun. Ahaza. Look, I ate at the start of haza like this. I. Like sometime we learn in English accent like is this house? So so when we have doubt, so we want like we clear and we remove our doubt. So also we use at the start of haza and this like we use okay so we use for dot like we want we remove and we clear our doubts. So look, haza baytun. Is this house? Is this home? Naam, naam, naam mean yes, 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 yes. Haza baytun. Haza baytun. This is house. Okay, next one. Ma haza. What is this? Look. Haza qamisun. Haza qamis. Qamis means shirt. This is short. Ahaza sarirun. Is this double bed or single bed? La. Haza kursiyun. This is chair. This is chair. Okay, next one. Ahaza miftahun. Is this key? Is this key? La la la. Haza qalamun. Haza qalamun. This is pen or this is marker. Okay. Ma haza. What is this? Haza najmun. Najmun we use for star, and mostly we can see in our own eyes in night time, so it's called star. I hope everyone understand easily our first lesson about haza, and inshallah ta'ala in next lesson inshallah we learn more lesson and everyone inshallah ta'ala understand easily. If you have any doubts, so you can mention your comment in comment box, so I will give you answer. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.